7 Insane Life Hacks plus Funny TikTok Pranks. Instructions to make the best new candy art and ball pit challenge. Figure out how to make the 7 best new life hacks from TikTok in this interesting viral tricks and candy craftsmanship challenge. Additionally, do whatever it takes not to chuckle as they transform their whole house into a crazy mammoth ball pit. Last time there was an insane and astounding trick wars rivalry, including counterfeit sticky food versus genuine food, sludge dumps, and astonishing responses. Today, siblings, not twins, the Key brothers contend to make fun TikTok food hacks, DIY spy blasters, and full at-home room changes. There is Skittles popcorn, Dalgona whipped espresso, pizza utilizing Amazon waffle irons, DIY Fanta soft drink frozen yogurt, natively constructed Oreo dessert bars with Hershey syrup, magnificent do it without anyone else's help Walmart pressurized super soakers, thus significantly more. These epic hacks are ensured to fix your isolate weariness better than rock paper scissors, find the stowaway, or disconnected 24-hour challenges. Furthermore, do whatever it takes not to snicker toward the end as Collins and Devin nibble, taste, and attempt their manifestations. Attempting and testing these nourishments are so much fun. It's another wonderful and stunning viral video in this delightful satire amusement and simple instructional exercise life hack and trick gathering arrangement. Hashtag lifehacks, hashtag TikTok, hash food, hashtag candy, hash pranks, hash ballpit, hash giant, hash DIY, hashtag Hershey's, hashtag Amazon, hash Walmart, hash food hacks, hash art challenge, hash viral. Follow Collins Key Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Collins Key Devin's links, Insta, Twitter, Snapchat, Devin Key. Watch more awesome videos, food art challenge and how to make the best Avengers Pokémon Detective Pikachu pancake art, 30 simply delicious desserts, 5-minute crafts family, $250,000 influencer rock, paper, scissors tournament, MrBeast crazy plastic ball prank. Roman Atwood 9 genius DIY life hacks plus the best new art challenge you need to know how to do surprising Charli D'Amelio with 20 custom iPhone 11s. Cell phone FT. TikTok and Lil Huddy giveaway, ZHC quarantine stereotypes, dude perfect last to leave the pool wins $10,000. Preston Unspeakable.